I've been away from her for like a week, so I guess. And I've been at the farm for the whole week. It's kind of nice and peaceful, but it gets lonely. Like not really like physically lonely, but mentally lonely, I guess. And yeah, when you do, you end up missing the people. You end up thinking too much or thinking too little. But just one thing about the farm is you really could do a lot of things, like keep your hands busy. Hands and feet's always busy. And you get to be creative in all that. At the end of the rainbow, all this creation, all this thing that we are doing, it's just goes back to nature. You could build something and give it enough time, nature takes over. But I guess the point is, we eat good food and we shit it out and we still come hungry, but we still want to eat good food. So eat, shit, eat again. It's my philosophy. And if you have a chance to eat good food, because all the poop's gonna come out the same. It's gonna be smelly, stinky. No matter if it's a tomahawk steak or a bologna sandwich, it's gonna come out the same. But when it goes in, it's different. You know? Philosophically, when we're born, we all come out the same. But yet, there's a certain point things taste sweet or bitter or no taste. And I guess that's kind of what life is, right? You know that there's an ending to this, and you know it's gonna end. So, and that's what it is. And so, that's what life is. It's bitter or sweet or neutral. And then at the end, we all die. So, yes, at the end we all die. So, eat. And if you can eat good food, shit it out, and eat again. That's what I got from all this farm work. Because it seems like it's never ending. Like literally, like we're never ending. First I was cleaning up, and then I gotta trim the trees, and then clean the hog, and then the chicken, and then the dogs. So you're like, oh, we're at the farm, you can relax. Relax. That is relaxing, I guess. So, relaxing while you work.